Hello guys, it's Cedric here with a brand new tutorial video today. I'm going to show you how to stall using a single button in Rocket League. If you enjoyed the video, or if it helps you out at all, please make sure to like and subscribe, it will help me out a lot. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you'll need to do is download an application called Joy2Key. There'll be a link in the description. If you just click that link, it will bring you up to this website. Scroll down to where it says Joy2Key Installer and click the top one. Once it's downloaded, all you have to do is double click it, press yes, and you'll get this pop-up. Make sure you tick accept, next, next, and install. Once that's done installing, this window will open up. To make sure it's working, make sure your controller's plugged in, and you can just play around with any buttons and you'll see it's highlighted yellow, which means it's working. Now we know it's working, you have to select a button that you don't use to put the one button stall on. For me this is square, so all you have to do is double click that button, change input 1 to numpad 1, and change input 2 to numpad 2. Tick execute from input 1 to input 4 in sequence at the specified duration and change this to 10. Find it works best for me. Once this is all done, make sure you press OK and we can head over to Rocket League. Okay guys, once you get to Rocket League, head over to your settings, over to controls and view and change bindings. Once you're here, I've labelled everything that needs changing with numpad 8, so that's jump, air steer right, air steer left, air roll right and air roll left. Okay, so you want to change your air roll left to numpad 1, so just click it and press numpad 1, and air roll right to numpad 2, and then do the opposite of air steer left and right, so left is 2 and right is 1, and just change your jump to number 1, and that should be it. So if you go out to your training, jump and press square, there you go. Easy peasy. Just like that. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next one. Peace.